Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this episode started. It's a little bit of box action. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE coconut milk and coconut milk. Not a bad shoe. Sort of reminds me of a Jordan KO as I've been looking at them, but I don't know if this shoe is my style of shoe. Let me cut this light out. Get it without the light out. Smell is absolutely outstanding on this shoe. It's very weird. It's all canvas and suede on this shoe. It looks like a nylon sock liner in the inside, if you guys can make that out. Get a pair of gray laces in the shoe. You get an extra pair of light gray laces. Definitely treat this shoe before you wear it. So all the suede on here looks rather damageable. The canvas is on the sides. The brown, light brown is canvas. Everything else seems to be suede. You guys know how I feel about the gum bottoms. Get you guys a little bit of light action. You know, if you're interested in getting a pair of these, it should be coming out later this month on the 24th, I believe, or the 25th. Extra laces. Get one more spin. Like I said, I believe that you could easily turn this into an everyday wearing Jordan if you have to wear the brown uniform like the school kids are. Still should be good for blue jeans. Alright, you guys know what time it is. We know what shoes you want to see in the next video. We know what shoes you're buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there.
Everybody fucking jump!